Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 8 Pro, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find a toggle somewhere in here. So it looks like it's on the second page, a little moon icon. Once you find it, hold the toggle and this will take you to the settings where you can quickly customize how it functions. So first option, just a toggle to turn it on off. Second one, schedule, allows you to set up a schedule for it. So basically start time, end time, and each day of the week that you wanted to turn on during. Below that we have exceptions for notifications, messages, and calls. So you can choose, for instance, for notifications, what notifications will show up, messages, who can message you. So you will have options from basically everyone, no one, contacts, and favorites. And lastly, we have calls with additional, I believe, setting right here. And there we go, below that. So calls will have the same options as messages, but it also has this toggle right here. So ring for repeated callers, meaning that if someone calls us twice within a 3-minute period, the second time around, they will reach us completely bypassing whatever it is set to here. So it could be set to no one. And in theory, no one should be able to call us. But if this is on and they call twice, they will reach us the second time they try to call us, as though Do Not Disturb mode isn't even enabled. And then lastly, we have the silent media when Do Not Disturb is on. So that is just completely up to you if you wanted to silence sounds and stuff like that or not. Now, once you have set it all up the way you want it, you can simply leave this, and all you need to do is either wait for the schedule to turn on or simply tap on the toggle. Like so. And there we go, we are now in the Do Not Disturb mode. Now once you're done with it, make sure you turn it off if you don't have a schedule, because that way your Do Not Disturb mode will be basically permanently on, which is something that you might not want to have. So again, tap on the toggle and now it's off. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.